Oras na para sumabak sa 5G. And yes, correct kayo guys. The Realme 8 is right now 5G ready. Are you ready? Tara, unbox natin. Realme 8 5G. Welcome to the Realme family. SIM ejector pin, user guide, warranty cards, jelly case, Realme 8 5G. 18 watts fast charger, charging cable, USB Type-C. Really nice color we have here. And this is the supersonic blue. We have the loudspeaker, USB Type-C, microphone, and your audio jack. We have the power button / fingerprint scanner. On top, it's clean. We have your SIM tray and your volume rocker. At the rear, you have your camera. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. Hawak na natin right now in my hands is the all-new, well, probably improved version ni Realme 8. And this is the Realme 8 5G. It's capable na tumakbo na ng 5G signal, makareceive ng 5G signal, and makasagap tayo ng 5G internet. And well, kunti-kunti nag-roll out ang mga networks natin, no? Like GlobeSmart and GOMO, and I'm not sure sa TNT, no, Smart, and of course TM, I'm sure probably wala pa ata siguro sila ng mga 5G networks. And si Dito is still trying to roll out their 5G signal. So later, try out din natin yung 5G signal dito sa phone na ito. Tingnan natin kung magandang sagap nitong phone na ito for 5G or, well, just your regular 4G phone lang, itong Realme 8 5G. Now guys, like I said, this phone is 5G ready. It's packed with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G. And masasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's one of the latest, no, ni MediaTek. And gusto natin silipin ang kanyang Antutu benchmark kung okay nga ba ang score niya. And it gathered 360,000 points for me dito sa Antutu version 9.0.10. It's, of course, a very welcoming score. Pagdating sa kanyang i22, no, hindi ganun siya ganun kataasan, no, 28,000 points lang. Medyo na-amaze ako sa score na dito sa 3D Mark, no, sa Wildlife, 1,106, meaning this phone can game. And definitely, gusto natin malaman, no, ang kanyang wideband security level, it's level 1, and meaning pwede tayo manood ng mga HD dito sa phone na ito. So guys, medyo nag-upgrade ang RAM nito, no. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage, and right now, dedicated na guys ang kanyang micro SD slot. So meaning, masusulit nyo to guys, 2 nano SIM plus isang micro SD slot. Inyo tong ano, no, hindi siya hybrid. Sulit. Now guys, itong phone na ito meron sa 6.5-inch FHD Plus na display, no, IPS LCD, and what's nice dito sa kanya, it's 90 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate, 180 Hz ang kanyang touch sampling rate, definitely it's gonna be nice for gaming, yung touch sampling rate niya. And of course, yung 90 Hz screen refresh rate, it's definitely very welcoming sa mata. Kasi very, very buttery smooth siya. And what I like about it is 90.5% ang kanyang screen to body ratio. Meaning, halos bezel-less ang kanyang design. And together with it, 600 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, no? Meaning, okay siya, no? Medyo pagtingin ko sa kanya, maliwanag siya eh. Kung under the sun, hindi ako nahirapan sa kanya, no? Lalo sa under direct sunlight. Yun naman ang pinaka-basis ko eh. Pag yung screen, nahirapan ka magbasa under the sunlight, medyo sablay yan for me. Pero kung okay siya, nababasa ko siya under direct sunlight, okay, approve sa akin yung screen na yan. And this one just passed my test. So of course, siyempre gusto natin i-try manood ng ilang videos dito sa phone na ito. Masasabi ko sa inyo, yung display niya is nice. Almost bezel-less yung screen niya, 90.5 na kanyang screen to body ratio. Definitely halos iyong-iyong yung buong screen. Except yung punch hole niya on the upper left is a little bit big compared sa mga ibang phones, no? Yung punch hole niya is definitely a little bit annoying para sa akin. Kasi medyo nawawala yung display doon sa side niya. Of course, syempre, sometimes meron ka mga gustong makita dyan, lalo na ako ng gaming. It plays a role pag yung malaki ang iyong punch hole. Kasi meron portion ng screen na hindi mo na nakikita. Pero overall, ang kind of viewing angle, masasabi ko sa inyo, I was watching some videos here. Nag-enjoy naman ako sa kanya and definitely, I have no problem dito sa kanya when watching videos on Netflix, watching videos on YouTube. It's bright, it's sharp, it's quite good to watch on this phone. So guys, puntahan muna natin ang gaming on this phone. Masasabi ko sa inyo when I'm playing Call of Duty, it's nice and of course yung kanyang viewing angle is big. Well, enjoyable naman ang kanyang kanyang gameplay, lalo na almost hindi naman sobrang hindi naman masyadong halata ang kanyang mga frame drops. Smooth naman ang kanyang gameplay. I was able to enjoy this for roughly an hour and a half. And of course right now, there are times na medyo umiinit konti itong phone na ito when I'm playing above 30 minutes playing Call of Duty. But I have yung Realme na cooler nilagyan natin sa likod, no, and it gave it a little bit temperature drop while playing the game. Definitely okay siya, no, to have that kind of attachment, and having yung finger sleeve while playing the game is also helping, lalo na kung yung kamay mo ay medyo may mga kalyo, yung kamay mo medyo malagkit, may kulangot. Aba, maganda magsuot kayo ng medyas sa inyong daliri. Itong Realme na finger sleeve. Okay yan, panalo. Overall, ang gameplay ko, masabi ko sa inyo guys, it's good. Wala namang naging problem, no? Minimal ang frame drops and the gameplay is very much enjoyable. Except that siguro kulang lang dito sa kanya is yung stereo sounds na hindi ko siya ma-feel. Kasi single lang kanyang speaker dito sa ilalim and probably yun lang ang masasabi kong downside sa yung gameplay. Pero of course, you can always put on your headphones, your headset na favorite nyo para mas ma-enjoy nyo immersively itong game na ito or even other games. So guys, talakay muna natin ang kanyang camera. This one has a triple camera setup, 48MP na Nightscape camera, 2MP na macro lens, and 2MP na depth sensor. Together sa harap sa kanya, meron siyang 60MP na beauty camera. Silipin muna natin ilang shots doon na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. So guys, evaluate na natin ang camera performance nitong phone na ito. Masabi ko sa inyo, the outdoor shots are good using the rear camera. There are times no na medyo lumalabo siya konti, medyo napipixelate ng konti. Siguro kung medyo kulangan yung lighting, sasablay siya ng konti. Pero if you give it a good lighting, so masabi ko sa inyo, this camera can perform. Of course, you cannot compare this to the Realme 8 Pro na 108MP. Mas maganda naman kulang shots mga nakukuha ko sa Realme 8 Pro. This one, masasabi ko sa inyo, it's a budget phone na may 5G capability plus good camera. Sa Realme 8 Pro, it has a definitely a better camera. Of course, kung gusto niyo ng better photography shots, I recommend you to get the Realme 8 Pro. masasabi ko sa'yo, definitely mas maganda ang makakuha mo doon. Pero dito sa phone na ito, outdoor shots is good, indoor shots is good. Then tinry natin kumuha ng ilang nightscape shot do. Masasabi ko sa'yo, okay. Yung mga night mode na ito was able to take in some good shots. Pero definitely may kunting grains. Pero na-improve ni Realme making yung mga nightscape shots a lot better compared sa mga dating versions nila. And sa selfie camera nito, masasabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda ng mga shots niya, no? It's very natural. There are times na mapapansin ko, ang kinis ng mukha ko dito sa phone nito, no? Wala pa ako kino-configure dito, no? Sinet ko lang siya sa default out of the box. Nag-shoot lang ako ng mga pictures dito, no? And, well, masasabi ko sa inyo, gandang lalaki. Legit. So guys, napag-test tayo ng mga 5G signals using this phone sa Globe, sa Smart, sa Gomo. And si Dito, hindi siya nakapagsagap kasi 4G pa lang binibigay niya, 4G LTE. And I was able to get some good speeds naman, legit good speeds. Hindi naman siya yung nakikita natin mga 800 Mbps, hindi pa natin ma-achieve sa Pilipinas. No? Not because na hindi kaya ng phone, but it's because na hindi pa kaya ng ating network. So take note na yung signal has nothing to do with the phone itself. Guys, itong phone na ito, meron siyang dalawang astig na kulay, no? Supersonic Blue and Supersonic Black. Ako, syempre, mas gusto ko yung blue. Mas very youthful ang color niya, no? Compared to the classic na black. Of course, kayo, anong pinapipilian ninyo? So guys, tinalakay na natin buong buo ang Realme 8 5G. And sabi ko sa inyo, this phone is definitely very light as compared to the earlier version niya, the Realme 8. And 5G capable na siya. Camera niya is good. And yung battery life niya, makunat. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan pwede bumili na itong phone na ito, I'll drop it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. And guys, don't forget, ongoing pa rin ang aking road to 100,000 subscribers. It's still ongoing. Malay mo, manalo kayo ng one of 3 premium phones. I'll post the link up there. Click nyo lang, sali kayo. And of course, I'll see you on my next video. Paalam na muna sa inyo.